As you guys may know, dropshipping is actually one of the easiest businesses to start in 2023, but one aspect that scares a lot of people away is the paid advertising. They don't want to put money into it because they're scared of losing money and their product won't work out. And because of this, a lot of people simply don't have the money to do it, or they just want to know how to start for free. Like, a lot of people will spend anywhere from $50 to $100 on Facebook ads, and if it doesn't work out, they throw their hands up in the air and quit dropshipping. But what if I told you guys you can actually advertise your products for completely free to mitigate any type of risk? I myself have been able to use free advertising methods to get to 4 and even 5-figure months dropshipping products without spending a penny on paid advertising. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can start advertising your products for $0 in 4 simple steps. And I'm also going to be showing you some brands that have used this method to generate 6 and even 7 figures. So without any further ado, be sure to subscribe down below and let's get right into the video. So first of all, we need to talk about the pros and cons of using organic or free traffic. And the first pro is that since you're not using any type of money to advertise, the profit margins are extremely high. With dropshipping, you're going to see around 15 to even 25% profit, which is not good at all, and it actually gets worse when you scale up a product. But with free advertising or organic traffic, you can see profit margins up to 90%, and that's because all you're worried about is the cost of goods or what you're getting the product for. And it's also a guaranteed profit for every single sale as long as you're charging more than what you're getting it from the supplier for. And then pro number 2 is a good foundation. There are tons of brands out there that only use organic traffic, and they were able to build them from the ground up. Because of this, they have amazing branding, amazing customer experience, and connection to the store. And this is exactly why brands that have tons of followers, have huge email lists, and are able to sell their brands for a lot of money. In addition to this, when you have this much organic reach, you're going to have a lot better conversion rates and customer trust on your website. And because of your following, you're going to see a lot better conversion rates when you go into paid advertising because you already have a proof of concept and the social proof. And then pro number 3 is that there's minimal to no risk. So since you're not spending any type of money on advertising, all of the risk or what ifs are taken out, and all you guys have to do is generate 1 sale to automatically be profitable. And since we're dropshipping, you don't even have to order the product until the customer places an order on your Shopify store. Now, since we talked about the pros, let's talk about the cons. So con number 1 is a lot of upfront work. In order to see results organically and have your product be seen by a lot of people, you have to be consistent with all your content on a lot of different platforms. This will take a lot more time as compared to you if you were doing paid advertising, where you can create a couple of videos here, test them, mainly because you're giving money to platforms, let's say like Facebook, to push out your videos. And all you're doing with free traffic is trusting the algorithm to push out your videos. And then con number 2 is that it can take a while. With paid advertising, you can see results extremely quickly, like within a day, but with organic traffic, it can take you weeks, months, or even a couple of months to see the results that you want. But overall, I do think that the pros outweigh the cons, especially if you're trying to take dropshipping seriously. So let's get to the actual steps of how you guys can start advertising your product for completely free. So step number 1 is choosing a platform to sell your product on, and there's 4 main ones. And we have TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest Idea Pins. And to be honest with you, I'd probably choose TikTok over the other 3, mainly because they're pushing out new content, new videos every single day. That way new creators can get eyes. The only con about this is that you have to get to 1,000 followers in order to put your link in your bio on a personal account, which is one that you want to be using, especially if you want to get access to viral sounds. And the solution that I recommend that you guys do for this is just link your Instagram and your TikTok. That way you can tell your customers to go there to purchase your product when you list it in your bio. And if you guys do choose TikTok, I don't recommend just trying to link your store within the bio section or in the comment section, because you can actually get banned. Like, you guys can take a look at some of these accounts here that are able to get super viral videos within the first couple of uploads, mainly because it was quality content and they were able to promote their stores relatively quickly. And to be honest with you, out of all the other platforms, I think TikTok is the easiest to start uploading and editing your videos on. You guys can check out Ultra Relief, that was able to get 47,000 followers for this foot massage mat, and they have amassed 35 million views on just one video. And this is no paid traffic whatsoever, so this is really the power of TikTok. Now, if we were to talk about Instagram Reels, this is a little bit harder to get traction on, but I've noticed that higher priced products seem to do well with it. This is mainly because Facebook and Instagram are basically the same exact platform, so they have very similar demographics. Another benefit of using Instagram Reels is that you can list your store right away in your bio for customers to go to immediately. This way you guys don't have to build up any type of following in the beginning. You guys can see this brand Bascala that has this nail steamer that originally was on TikTok, and they were able to link their Instagram, and you can see that their Instagram Reels have a ton of views. Now, going on to YouTube Shorts, which I think are super underrated right now, they've actually allowed a lot of products to go super viral, and there's one brand that I'll be talking about in a future video that was able to make 6 figures from this. The only problem with YouTube Shorts is that there's no direct link like to your profile where you can have the obvious store link there. So what you would have to do is just post your store link in the comment section and they'll be able to click on it and go to your site to buy. And what I have noticed is that if a video does extremely well on TikTok, it'll also do very well on YouTube Shorts. And you guys can check out this account here that has over 100,000 subscribers, and they sell this back stretcher bar. The only YouTube videos that they have on here are YouTube Shorts, and they have 91 million views, 31 million views, and they've created this YouTube channel in October of last year. And then going on to Pinterest idea pins. Now this one is listed last for a reason, but I think it's still a decent way to get traffic to your store, and that's mainly because it takes a while for you to get views, and it can take you even months to see any type of traction on your account. This is because it's actually linked to Google search, so it can take a while for keywords to rank. So this one seems to be the least optimal out of all of them if you were to start, but you can also list your store link in the bio immediately. And also the traffic that goes around on Pinterest is very different from other platforms, mainly because it's within a artsy niche, and you also have to be selling a product that is within that niche as well. You guys can look at my page as an example. I get around 500,000 views on my account every single month, and at one point I had around 5 or 6 million views, and I didn't really get that good of traction or that many people to order my services. Now going on to step number 2, once we figured out what type of platform that we want to sell on, we need to order the product and have it in hand. I don't recommend just ripping other people's content that you find on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, mainly because you can actually get your account reported for this or even banned, and it's not going to help you build a long-term and sustainable store. You guys have to remember, we're trying to build a long-term brand, so the longevity of our store is extremely important, and we want to start out on the right foot. So what I usually do is I order my products through Amazon Prime in order to get them within 1 to 2 days, or you can also look up your products on wish.com or even eBay. It'll just take a little bit longer if you use those other two platforms. And when you go on Amazon and look up the product, just make sure that the seller has really good reviews. This way you guys can really minimize the chances of the product being broken or non-functional when it arrives. Now going on to step number 3, while you guys are waiting for your product to arrive from Amazon or whatever platform, you also need to be doing research to see what types of videos have gone viral or have done extremely well for your product. And you can do this by simply going on TikTok, looking up your product, looking up the most broad keywords for it, and sorting by the most liked video within the past month or all time. You guys can take this automatic heated eyelash curler as an example. We don't need to reinvent the wheel, you guys. Like, if you see a video that has really good results, all you guys have to do is try to replicate it to your best ability. A lot of people that are already selling their products online and doing extremely well with them have already set the path that you want to go down. You just need to be able to replicate those videos to your best ability. All you would have to do is go on TikTok and find the best 3 to 10 different videos of your product, and then copy and paste those videos within a Google Doc. And I promise you guys, if you use this method, you're going to be able to go viral a lot faster. And this will allow you to get followers extremely quickly too, so you can put your link in the bio. And I also see a lot of people not doing this as well, is that if you're trying to upload a TikTok video, make sure you have a call to action at the end, either telling them to go to your Instagram to purchase the product or to follow your account. You also want to make sure that you have really good lighting for your videos too. Like, I have this giant photo light that you can get on Amazon for maybe $20, or you can just use natural sunlight or the camera light on your phone. Because I'm telling you guys, if you don't have these, and take it from me, TikTok is simply not going to push out your videos. And every single video that you upload should never be in a salesy format. Like, you guys can see here that this super viral video is in a story format, and it's enticing the customer to continue watching the video because it piques their interest and their curiosity. If you immediately try to sell someone a product in your video, they're just going to continue swiping and you're going to lose sales. So what you guys can do is just make up a story talking about how it changed your friends or family member's life, or they gave you the product, and just make sure it's a funny one or a relatable one to help it go viral. Now you guys can see here in this video, she's talking about how her boyfriend got her this eyelash curler because she had ugly eyelashes. So to summarize that, you just need a video that is able to catch people's attention and one that tells a story. And I do recommend that you guys upload anywhere from 2 to 3 times a day at the minimum. And they don't even have to be long either. Like, you guys can see here that some of the videos that I've uploaded on my account have only been 5 to 6 seconds long, and that's all you need. If you can have a good 5 to maybe 10-second video, you can generate thousands of dollars within sales. You also want to make sure that you're keeping track of all the current viral sounds, which you can do by looking up viral trend alert accounts on TikTok and then following their accounts. And what you can also do is save those sounds to your favorites, that way you can use them for later. Now going on to step number 4, we need to talk about diversifying your content. You need to repurpose all your videos so on all those different platforms that I mentioned earlier. So if you guys are mainly uploading on TikTok, every single single video that you're uploading, always make sure you copy the link, go over to Snaptic, remove the watermark, and re-upload them on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest pin ideas. This is exactly what this flame lighter brand did on YouTube, and look at the amount of insane views that they're able to get just with YouTube Shorts. And the cool thing about TikTok is that you can actually link both your Instagram and YouTube, so you can sort of have like a big ecosystem of traffic that you can get to your store. I want you guys to take a look at this monkey toy brand here, and they mainly upload videos on TikTok, and you can see they also upload them on Instagram Reels as well and get a ton of views. And this is easily a 6 or 7 figure brand that only uses free traffic to advertise. And that's why it's extremely important for you guys to diversify all your traffic, especially if you guys don't need to recreate any type of new content. You'll probably be very surprised on what types of products perform better on other platforms. And also, you guys, if you're struggling to find really good products to sell on a daily basis, and you also don't know how to create a professional Shopify store, I have services for that down in my description. And in my membership, I list new products every single day that are currently selling extremely well on TikTok or Facebook. And most of those products are not using any type of paid advertising, so you can start dropshipping them for free. But if you guys got any type of value out of this video, be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.